naman yung Gcash ko.
Let's go! Ay, parang taka naman kayo. Subukan ko lang po. Para sa mga mag-asawa, let's go. Sanction. You never believe that I've been looking for, and I look into your eyes and could ask for more.
So it's only fair to leave it on the line. Oh no, I'm gonna need a little time.
But if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when it's broken heart can mend. I know it's gonna be
It's
real.
gonna be
You're the one to pull me through to an open way. If I ever fall in love again,
scared. I guess I'm scared to fly and touch a long way down. And yeah, if you're distressing me, I'm sure I'll come around.
let it go. When you're hurting, it's hard to let someone inside. In your arms, I feel I'm ready now to try. So if I ever fall in love again, sometimes the way this broken heart can mend. I know it's gonna be real. You're the one to pull me through, so I don't know it. If I ever fall in love again,
We are born
you're the best thing in my life. When the dark I think it's love. Wala ka man mga kamayan naman. Happy birthday, Jane! Oh, it's gonna be real. You the one to pull me through, though I don't know it. If I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again. Palakpakan everyone. Siyempre may tanong lang ako, ano ba ang theme song ng mag-asawa? Ano ba ang theme song nyo? Baka alam namin yung kanta. Ay, ikaw, ay, Diyos ko! Siya na lang daw. Ito may pagkamayabang din, eh, no? Kung matatanggalan pa kami ng trabaho, eh, no? Sabi niya, ako na lang kakanta. Baka hindi maganda yung version nyo. Palakpakan for Boss Mylon! Apa, meron po. Ayan. Boss Mylon, ano?